Hey guys, I am Nikki So Jazzy. I'm back again with another video. If you are new, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. And thank you so much for subscribing, like seriously. So we're gonna hop right into this DIY wig situation here. New wig, who this? No, LuvMe. We're gonna start with unboxing and unveiling. Of course, because who doesn't love watching people open packages, right? Although this damn thing was hard to open, I had to rip it. LuvMe hair. It came with a cute message. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. With the wig comes a little cosmetic baggie, the wig cap, the comb, one set of bobby pins, the elastic band, a LuvMe hair silk edge scarf, the LuvMe pin, and some tweezers. Look at that. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. This is the 13x4 Glueless frontal lace wig. The color is sugar plum, and inside there's 4 combs. And this right here, I'm going to be putting on my silicone headband. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link to everything below. So if you can't tell, my head is small, so I put that elastic band in that you can clip on. There are little handles on the side so that you can clip in the band. And now I'm just tucking in the combs. I'm going to tuck in just 3 combs, the 2 on the sides and the 1 in the back. And that's already a nice part, so I'm not going to mess with it, but I can part it elsewhere, as you can see. And I'm actually just going to cut off that lace off camera so that you guys can see what it looks like without the lace. Bear with me, I actually recorded this video in like 2 days. So I was tired, y'all. I work nights and I'm trying to start doing this during the day. Bear with me. Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm pulling out like baby hairs that I want. And considering I did do this in 2 days, I did already kind of pull out some baby hairs. I already did some tweezing to it. I'm just gonna do some more on camera. And I like to tweeze above the part so that I'm not tweezing too much off of the front of my lace. I think it's coming in nice. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the box. Now I'm just going to take my double-sided razor that I bought from the beauty supply store and just chop the baby hairs down. Don't chop too low if you are doing this, because you will regret it. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe. What are you waiting for? Like this video, comment, and share. Please share, guys. And now that the hairline is straight, we're going to take the Lotta body. Look at those edges. We're just going to use the Lotta body mousse since we're not using glue or gel. And look, the wig is already just laying down on its own. And with the mousse setting in, we're just going to smooth out the baby hairs with the edge brush and comb. It's double-sided. And we're going to use that LuvMe hair edge scarf just to lay the edges down. And as my edges get laid, I'm just going to go over my hair with my flat iron. And I'm using this comb and iron method because it comes out smoother when the comb is gliding through it first before the flat iron. And as you can see, I didn't actually flat iron the curled part until I did curl it with the flat iron. I didn't want to mess up the curls that it already had. And now I'm just going to go in with my wand and straighten out the curls that were already there. Oh, and by the way, the flat iron that I used was a cheap. And this wand is actually cheap. It's from Walmart and I think I bought it for like $10. So if you also want a link to the chi or the wand, just let me know in the comments below. Yes, look at that curl. Y'all see that bounce? Look at it. Bounce. Yes, I love this red, yo, I love it. Yo, oh my god, who is that? Who is that? I don't know her. I don't even know her. And look at these curls. This hair is giving me life. Alright, y'all, it's done. This is the finished look. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And did you subscribe yet? What you waiting for? This hair is amazing. It's soft. I love the red. Red is one of my favorite colors. Look at these edges. No glue, no gel. But alright guys, thanks for coming again, and until next time, bye.